leftovers. This is my thermal craft coffee pot from my coffee Black & Decker thermal craft. These are the pieces that come out. This is the lid. This is a seal. And this is like the glass here too. This is like 2 pieces of glass. It's good thermos glass. That's the vacuum. That's how the thermos works. It's 2 pieces of glass with 2 spacers in between. You got the inner wall and the outer wall with 2 spaces. That's the thermal. See how it's not broken right there. See how it's like not broken. I'll zoom in there again. That's fuel vintage glass. You got the bottom of the craft. Black & Decker care and use. You got the seal that goes in the bottom of this coffee pot thing. You got the lid. You got the lid piece. The seal. You got the thermovac. You got the glass. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So what you wanna do first is I'm gonna put the seal right like this. Then you want to take this piece carefully. Clean it down carefully. You guys can see how it works. What's in there, say. So you got like the thermos pieces. And I can do it with one hand, my little boy. It's easy to do like that. That's how you do it, so push.